Đi đâu à?
Rồi vô đi chị.
Trong đó có cá không?
Không có mà có con cua đó đó.
In April of 2017, I had a chance to visit Vietnam with my family. It was an epic once-in-a-lifetime trip. One of our stops was Hội An, a lovely old city in central Vietnam. We spent most of the day cruising down the Tu Bon River. Here's my dad, mom, nephew, brother, sister-in-law. That's my baby sis and nephew.
Hồi xưa là dân đúa,
Dạ.
là bé con này về nấu rồi. Nấu là rôn mẹn, họ rôn với lại họ nấu canh.
Dạ.
Rồi là có họ tô già, có họ nấu canh với la lon.
Hoi An is famous for its beautiful lanterns. This is my 7-year-old nephew. Everything is magical when you're 7. Breakfast at our resort was a feast. And everyone we met was so friendly. If you enjoyed this video, please click that like icon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.